Hi everyone, this is Coach Tony Morgan. We've not done a conversation for a few weeks, but we've got a new one today. And today's subject is going to be about proactive planning. And this is proactive planning when you're going to repair a boiler. So today I'm with Michael King. He's doing his boiler repair coaching with me, and he's come with a great idea about how we can repair our boilers as trainees, newbies, in a more efficient way. So he's going to tell us what the idea, what he's come up with, so I can help the others. Alright, Michael.
How you doing? No, I think places they do job planning the night before, so if we know what we're going to the next day, we can watch the videos that's available to us, or any information that we've got, and we can plan out a wee sequence, what we're going to do, what we're when we get there, and even how we're going to get the case off, and what steps we go and do after that.
Okay, so you said that we was discussing about making like a checklist. So like you said about the case coming off, you would make a sequence of, once you've seen a video, like you said, if you was watching a video in the morning, but the job was say 4 o'clock in the afternoon, you might forget the information on that video.
Yep, you might have a few jobs on before that, and sometimes you can forget, so it'd be good just to have write a few notes down about what you've watched on the video.
That's it. So as you said, so you make a list like where the screws are on the case, where they come off, any like isolation points, anything which you think is going to be useful for you to do that repair. So you make your notes, and then you can take that with you. So you might forget the information in the video, but at least you can refer to your notes when you're on the job. So this is a useful technique for newbies to look at the video, make notes, take them with you, then you can go through the job in a more like stressless fashion. So that's what you want to do, but by using this proactive thinking when you're doing your boiler repairs. So that's a great idea, Michael. So you guys out there, you need to put this in your head, do this every time, look at your jobs at night, go through what you're going to do, watch your videos, make your notes, take your notes with you. So that's it on this short video on this proactive thinking. Any comments you've got, we'd like to hear from you. So we'll see you on the next video.